Freedom Trader. This is your boy Collins FT. Once more again, guys, we're gonna do exactly what we do all the time. We practice backtesting, and today we're gonna tackle the AUD USD. And for as usual, we follow the strategy, and this strategy, as I say, we're gonna practice it for more than a year. Every single day, I'm gonna be uploading like this. We're gonna follow the strategy, practice it, plus other main factors of trading that we're going to learn alongside with the strategy. So AUD USD 2018 Barclay, and that's it. We are good to go. So daily time frame, we look at the first, we look at the direction of the market. The market is on the downtrend. Then we have to look at the key levels as usual, guys. The key levels, we go for the key levels. The key levels. At this point, guys, you can only buy as I say, you can only buy here, you can only sell here. So this is the resistance, this is the support. Like when you start trading, these things, you start with them, they are the basic stuff. But the problem is when you get into trading, you get a lot of information. There is too much information in the internet that you tend to consume, and you get confused. Then you forget the basic principles of trading, which is demand and supply, price action, market structure. That's demand and supply is just resistance and support, and candlesticks. So that is just the basics, guys. The most you can use, or the most I use, as you can see from my strategy, is the moving average. It simply tells me, hey, if market is trading above this, it means it's kind of saying an uptrend. So this is one confluence. If price has broken this area and trading above this resistance, it means it's a buy. That's confluence number two. If I get a candlestick that indicates a buy also, or a buy confirmation, that is confluence number three. That is already good for me to enter. So with this strategy, it's very simple, very basic, and lucrative, profitable. The most important thing, because we trade to be profitable. So right now I will just show you exactly what I'm talking about. It's not complicated trading, guys. What is difficult in trading is the so much information you have out there. The Fibonacci, I know, like most profitable traders I know out there, they do use Fibonacci. Some do use indicators. What works for anyone, it's okay, but you can still use this strategy I'm talking about, and then you apply whatever you want to apply, be it indicator, be it whatsoever. You just apply, and it's gonna work for you. It's just as simple as that. So right now we can only sell below here. If price breaks this resistance and give us, if price breaks support and gives us a sell confirmation, then we will sell and take our profit here. It's just as simple as that, guys. So actually there is take profit. Take profit is actually here. Yeah, take profit is actually here. So guys, this is it. Okay, so actually this is supposed to be a sell confirmation, but the candlestick is not really the ideal candlestick. Should be a shooting star, should be a shooting star, or a hanging man, yeah, which is just the opposite of a hammer. um, it's actually not the case. So yet we can still kind of put a small position. For those who know me, you know that I always preach, do not place your trade inside here. Should be out, not inside. So in this case, we can put our trigger or our sell stop here. So if price breaks here, okay, we'll be expecting to take our profit at this point. If it does not, then we'll be waiting for price to kind of break here. Then we can enter our buy stops here and see if price is going to break this trend line. So you can remember, there is a trend line here, guys. There is a trend line which tells us market is going down. So this is what we do. Okay, it didn't trigger, guys. So remember, as I said, if we had put our sell stop immediately here, you see what would have happened? It would have triggered, then go back up. Though it might still come down, but it's not the right time. It's too risky. Imagine the drawdown here. The drawdown here is huge, that it's going to mess up your emotions. You will not be able to think. Like, you will not be able to figure out what to do next. You will end up either closing too early and then the market goes back towards your direction, or you just kind of close and you start cursing yourself, you start cursing the gods. That's it. So following this strategy, uh, it says you don't trade inside here. You don't have to put any trade inside here. You can only place a trade here. If market breaks here and gives us, it will break, go back, retest, and then gives us a sell confirmation before we sell. Same thing here. So the reason why I entered here, because this was an engulfing bearish candle, which I was not sure, but I still entered, but maintaining our position, our principles, maintaining our being disciplined as well. So that's it. So as you can see, guys, so it didn't trigger, which is a good thing. So right now we're gonna be checking if the market, if price is gonna give us a buy here. So that's why I say all the time, guys, stops, always use buy stops or sell stops. Market execution, your emotions will always take advantage of you. So it's always good to do your sell stops and your buy stops. Though at times the market will come and trigger here, then goes back up and even close in a loss, but it doesn't happen like that often. It happens out of 10, it might happen 3 times only. That gives you 70% win rate. So I will advise you follow this strategy. Always put your stops. Stops are the best, guys. Stops are the best. Market execution, it's too risky because your emotions will always take uh, advantage of you. So this also, we can say, or we can actually say it's a buy, it's a sell confirmation, another sell confirmation, uh, but not also 50%, because as I said, it's not here yet, but this is a powerful sell confirmation. For those who've been following me, you will know that when I see something like this, I'm very eager to to uh, to trade. But right now, if we are entering here, then our take profit is not going to be here. Our take profit now will be here. Yeah, so our take profit will be here, which is still not confirmed. With this type of trade, guys, you just have to enter just one, like the least lot size you can enter. Yeah, the least, like 1% only, the least lot size you can enter, not much, because um, this is just to keep you trading, because for a very long time now the market is still consolidating, it has not broken, so you are like kind of like, okay, I have to do something, I shouldn't just sit like that. That is when you enter such a trade, and it will also teach you something. So we entered, let's see, okay, not, it didn't trigger. So that's the point, guys. If this happened here, it would have been a fall, like it would have been a dip. That's the thing I'm talking. If this happened here, it would have been a dip, but since it happened inside here, you see, it didn't trigger. Same here also. You see how funny this candlestick, this engulfing bearish candle is because it's actually, the market is actually consolidating. So it didn't trigger, and that's it, guys. So we will remove it, then we keep on looking. So this was kind of something, but if we did leave it, let's see, if we did leave it and then we extend like this, let's see, sometimes we hold, sometimes you don't want to hold. You see, if we did leave it, this is the lesson I was talking about, guys. So if it doesn't go, you have to delete, and that's it. That is the lesson. So it's still in consolidation, and this consolidation, it's not like we are the one commanding the market. It's just as it is, guys. We followed our strategy. The market is consolidating, and we all know during consolidation you don't trade. During consolidation you don't trade. You can only go down to 1 hour. This consolidation will not actually be a consolidation in the 1 hour, but you still follow the same strategy and it will still work out for you. So it applies, as I said, the strategy applies for 50 minutes, 1 hour, 1 minute, every time frame it can work. Okay, now we have another one, another sell signal. So guys, there is a lot going on here. There are a lot of terms you can use. If you put some indicators here, they will be showing you a lot of arrows to buy or to sell. If you put the Bollinger Bands, you put the Ichimoku clouds, all of them, guys, it will still work. But if you forget about them and focus on the candlesticks, price action, market structure, it's still the same thing. So everyone has their own stuff out there. This is my stuff, and it's been profitable. I want to share with you because I want to make it my main strategy. I have other strategies, but this is my main strategy, and I'm kind of just telling you every day, do like this, do like this. And then so far we've not yet entered a trade. It's better you sit on your hands, it's better you don't trade, then your capital is there, than to force a trade and lose money. So many attempts, it didn't trigger because we were doing the right thing, and you've seen the reason why it didn't trigger, because the market is actually consolidating. So another attempt, this one also, it's really not advisable because it will only mean we will take profit here. Yeah, it will only mean we have to take our first TP here, then the second one here, then it can continue to here. So, but as I say, we always give some space for market to breathe. Yeah, 10 pips for market to breathe. So that's it, guys. And this one also, the lot size should be small, not big, very small. So you now see it's a kind of unnecessarily risky trade. So you don't have to risk a lot. You just want to be like, okay, the market has been consolidating. For those who trade only one pair, the market has been consolidating for a very long time. I still have to trade, I still have to make money, I need to pay my bills, I need to eat, I need to go out, have fun, I need to buy my sneakers. That's it, guys. So wow, this is how you do it, guys. this is how you do it. Yep, this is how you do it. You being careful throughout. It didn't trigger, and following the strategy, it only triggered and it went right, it dipped. So it's just this, guys. There is nothing else in trading apart from this. Whatever those guys will take $4,000 from you for a course, they will still end up, they will give you, the problem is they will give you a lot of terms. Like, they will make it sound so advanced, but at the end of the day, it comes down to this: we trade to make profit, and this is profit here, guys. This is the strategy that is working, and you see how it's working. We kind of put, this is, I think, the fourth trade that we're putting, and it only triggered and send us in profit. That you can, when it gives you like this, when the market gives you something like this in one day, guys, you get out. You get out. Don't be like, oh, with such a bearish momentum, big ass candle, I have to hold. No, guys, you don't hold. You don't. By the way, how many take profits has been hit? 1 and 2. So why do you have to hold? And look at where the market closed, even far below your take on take profit. So you don't have to hold. You get out and observe. If you want to if you want to hold, get out with 80% or 70% and leave 30% to run. Yep, for those who got out with 70%, this is 30% running. You are still in profit. Good for you today, but it's not all the day. It's not every day. So this is trading, guys. This is trading. You will never see this anywhere with those big guys out there. They will not. Your guru will not teach you this until you have to pay like $750. But I'm giving it out for free. If you want, you can just give me a like. If you actually appreciate what I'm doing, you can share, you can subscribe, you can come back again, because I'll be doing this all the time. Or you can watch other videos I've been putting up, and you will see exactly like this that I'm doing every day. So thank you, guys. It's been a very long video, because as it is, we have to end up in profits. Every video I make, no matter how difficult it is, we try making sure we end up in profit, because that's about it. We trade to make profit. So thank you.